Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Good morning to all of you. This is class 9th old. स्टूडेंट्स आज की सेशन में हम पढ़ेंगे एडवर्ब के बारे में क्योंकि आप लोगों के दिस टॉपिक इज इंक्लूडेड इन योर चैप्टर नंबर 7 सुल्तान अहमद मस्जिद। सो एक्सरसाइज करने से पहले if we make our concept clear about adverb, so it would be much better. Okay, most of the students they don't know about adverb, that what is adverb। और adverb वाला जो क्वेश्चन होता है ज्यादातर MCQs में आता है, पेपर में इसका कोई इस तरह क्वेश्चन नहीं होता कि what is adverb and write the types of adverb। बस जस्ट हमारे पास दो या तीन MCQs आते हैं पेपर में। सो आज हम पढ़ेंगे कि what is adverb। ठीक है, अब्दुल मोइज खान आवाज आ रही है ना मेरी? हेलो अब्दुल मोइज, नवीद, आप लोगों को मेरी आवाज आ रही है बेटा?
आ रही है सर।
बताया करें ना, ठीक है, ओके। सो व्हाट इज एडवर्ब एक्चुअली? You people know that there are 8 parts of speech. We start from noun, then pronoun, then adjective, and then verb, and then adverb. Okay, what is actually adverb? Uh, Many people define adverb in different way, but I will explain that adverb is a word which modifies या which describe any parts of speech except noun or pronoun। एडवर्ब जो हमारे पास है ये मोस्टली एक सेंटेंस में हमारे पास वर्ब को, एडजेक्टिव को और अपने आप को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं, मॉडिफाई करते हैं। दैट इज कॉल्ड एडवर्ब। एडवर्ब इज अ वर्ड दैट मॉडिफाइज a verb, adjective, or any other adverb in a sentence, that is called adverb। Now examples। For example, ये जो sentence है, Sarah is laughing। अभी इस sentence में laughing जो है हमारे पास laughing ये verb है। This is verb। Sarah is laughing। Sarah is a subject, is a we can say helping verb, but laughing is a verb। अगर आप नीचे देख ले कि सारा इज लाफिंग लाउडली, सारा इज लाफिंग लाउडली, तो इस सेंटेंस में हमारे पास जो वर्ड है लाउडली, दैट इज एडवर्ब। व्हाई? बिकॉज दिस एडवर्ब इट मॉडिफाइज दिस वर्ब। In this sentence, the word loudly is a adverb because it modifies the word laughing, the verb laughing, that is laughing। That how is she laughing? How is Sarah is laughing? She is laughing loudly. So this is adverb। Okay, for example, नीचे देख ले सेंटेंस में आप लोग। सो हमारे पास है just another example। okay, this one। यहाँ अगर आप देख लें सेंटेंस में हमारे पास, फॉर एग्जाम्पल देयर आर सम अदर एग्जाम्पल। ही आंसर्ड द क्वेश्चन क्विकली। ही आंसर्ड द क्वेश्चन क्विकली। अभी इस सेंटेंस में हमारे पास जो क्विकली है दैट इज दिस वन, दिस इज एडवर्ब। हाउ डिड ही आंसर द क्वेश्चन? ही आंसर्ड द क्वेश्चन क्विकली। She can speak Chinese fluently. How can she speak Chinese? She can speak Chinese fluently। So ये जो fluently, this word, it modifies the verb speak। How does she speaks? She speaks loudly। Yeah, she speaks fluently. Yeah, she can speak Chinese fluently. This is called adverb. फिर नीचे there are many other examples. For example, she is talking nicely. So it also modify the verb talking. The officer behaved decently. How does he behave? Yeah, how did he behave? He behaved decently. So these are adverb. So we came to know that an adverb modifies a verb, it modifies an adjective, or it may modify another adverb. Yani it may modify itself in a sentence. Yeah, for example, how does it modify adjective? For example, अगर मैं कह दूँ कि this is a beautiful flower, this is a beautiful flower, so इस sentence में beautiful जो है this is adjective और flower हमारे पास noun है. But if I say that this is a very beautiful flower, so इस sentence में हमारे पास very जो है ये adverb है because it modifies the adverb beautiful. Beautiful, very beautiful, very beautiful. So ये हमारे पास adverb. Yeah, how does it modifies another uh, adverb in a sentence? Okay, so it can also modify another sentence. So ये जो first example है, these are the example that when we say that adverb modifies a verb, so these are examples. These are examples where adverb modifies verb. Now this one, this is example number ये let me to enter our, okay. So now in this sentence, let me highlight these things, okay. So यहाँ आ जाए. So यहाँ हमारे पास
जी खुदा को माने यार
जी
सर कसम से पिछले 15 मिनट से मैं वेटिंग रूम में बैठा हूँ.
Okay, Shamun, I will address your question later. Okay, let me to explain this thing. Now, definition में हमने तीन चीज पढ़े कि adverb modifies verb, it modifies adjective, and it modifies another adverb in a sentence. Now, how does it modify adjective? Adjective को, you know about adjective. That adjective is a word which qualify. ये highlighter, sir. This is a highlight. Okay. I share the screen. Okay, better. So now how does it modify adjective? Adjective आप लोगों को already पता है कि adjective is a word which modifies a noun or pronoun in a sentence. But for example, हमारे पास एक sentence में adjective है, तो adverb, how does adverb modify adjective? For example, ये sentence अगर देख ले, nice, this shirt is nice, this shirt is nice. For example, this is adjective, ये हमारे पास adjective है because it talks about the noun shirt. It talks about the noun shirt. This shirt is nice, this shirt is nice. This is adjective because nice is adjective because it modifies this noun. But अगर ये कह रहे कि this shirt is extremely nice, is extremely nice, तो इस sentence में अगर आप देख ले extremely, तो it talks about, it modifies this nice, it modifies this nice. So this is called adverb. This is the way adverb modifies a noun. Yeah, for example, the movie was interesting. Interesting is an adjective because it modifies the noun movie. The movie was interesting, but if I say that the movie was really interesting, so then it is this word, this is adverb because it modifies the adverb, the adjective interesting. So this is the way an adverb modifies adjective in a sentence. It modifies three things: verb, adjective, and itself. Yani another adverb in a sentence. Okay. Now, uh, okay. Now another way. How does it modify? For example, how does it modify another adverb in a sentence? Yani हमने पढ़ा ना कि it modifies verb, it modifies adjective, and it also modifies another adverb in a sentence. यानी एक sentence में हमारे पास दो adverb भी हो सकते हैं, यानी एक adverb already exist है और एक adverb दूसरे adverb को भी modify कर सकते हैं. Double modification. So let me highlight. Okay. Now this one, the third one. I hope it would be clear to you. कोई confusion है? Okay, so now this one. Okay, ये an adverb modifies other adverb in a sentence. Read the following example. The board word is adverb which modifies the other adverb. Okay, अभी इस sentence में देख ले, they were laughing too loudly. इस sentence में आप ये loudly, for example, ये हमारे पास फॉर एग्जांपल नहीं है. दे वर लाफिंग लाउडली, तो लाउडली हमारे पास क्या है? ऑलरेडी इट इज एडवर्ब बिकॉज इट मॉडिफाइज द वर्ब लाफिंग. दे वर लाफिंग लाउडली, सो लाउडली इट्स ऑलरेडी एडवर्ब. अभी इस सेंटेंस में अगर हम लाउडली से पहले टू यूज करें, सो इट मीन दिस टू, it modifies this adverb. So another adverb, this adverb modifies another adverb in a sentence. They were laughing too loudly. So loudly is already adverb in this sentence, but too loudly it modifies the already given adverb in this sentence. Yeah, for example, they started their married life very happily. Happily is already adverb. Very is also adverb because it modifies this adverb. Yeah, she responded too quickly. She responded too quickly. So quickly is already adverb. If we ate too, so this too modifies this adverb in this sentence. This is the way adverb modifies another adverb in a sentence. So students, it was all about adverb. We can define adverb that adverb is a word which modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb in a sentence. That is called adverb. This is the way adverb modifies these three things. Okay. Now, types of adverb. हमारे पास students adverb के there are mainly जो हम when we talk about, अच्छा यहाँ देख ले formation of adverb. अगर हम यहाँ से देख ले formation of adverb, तो formation of adverb में हमारे पास के formation of adverb का मतलब है ना कि how we form adverb in a sentence. तो adverb की जो ज़्यादा पहचान है कि देखे most of the adverb are made by adding ly at the end of adjective. ज़्यादातर adverb की पहचान ये है कि के साथ ly आता है, बट जरूरी नहीं है. कुछ ऐसे एडवर्ब भी है कि वी डोंट यूज ly. फॉर एग्जांपल, फ्लुएंटली, क्विकली, हैप्पीली, इमीडिएटली, इजीली, दीज आर द एडवर्ब जिसके साथ हमारा ly है. फॉर एग्जांपल, लाउड, लाउडली, easy, easily, proud, proudly. So this is the way to make adverb. फिर यहाँ देखें few of the adverb exist. Few of the adverb exist. Let me erase it. Okay. Okay. Yes, few of the adverb exist without having ly at their ends. अब इस जरूरी नहीं है कि हर adverb के साथ ly आता है. These are some adverb जिसके साथ ly नहीं आता. For example, to, very, late, here, close. These are the adverb जिसके साथ adverb नहीं है. Okay, ly, sorry. So this is the way to form adverb in a sentence. Now boys, टाइप्स ऑफ एडवर्ब की टाइप्स. सो एडवर्ब की जो मेन टाइप्स है, दीज आर देयर आर 4-5 मेन 4 टाइप्स ऑफ एडवर्ब जो हमारे पास बेसिक. देयर 5 टाइप्स. ओके, 5 types or 4 types. For example, यहाँ देख ले adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of frequency. These are types of adverb. Last time एक MCQs आया था, उसमें आप लोगों से adverb की type का पूछ रहे थे, so आप लोग confuse हो रहे थे. Okay, so don't get confused. So very easy how to adverb given होगा, but we have to find out that whether it is adverb of manner, whether it is adverb of place, या adverb of time or adverb of frequency. So these are the 4 basic types of adverb. But we have just 5 minutes left, so we will study the types of adverb tomorrow because we have enough time, so we cannot complete this topic in these 5 minutes. So we will study types of adverb in detail tomorrow. Okay, so I hope it would be clear to you. Now let me ask you one by one if you have any sort of confusion, any sort of question, because 5 minutes are left. So I'm going to give these 5 minutes to you people. Okay, if you have any confusion. Okay, so Abdul Muiz Khan, do you have any confusion?
No, sir. Clear as sub.
Abdullah bin Faisal.
No, sir. And
Abdullah, what?
clear.
Abdullah, what is adverb?
Sir, the adverb that modifies the adjective or adjective or yeah, noun and another adverb.
No. याद रखे adverb ज्यादातर हमारे पास verb.
Adjective को करता है. Sir, adjective वही करता है.
ज्यादातर verb को करता है.
Let me
ज्यादातर
explain. एक मिनट.
सर मैं शुरू में नहीं था. सर मैं शुरू में नहीं था क्लास में. मैं लेट आया था जब शमू ने.
Okay. अभी सुने. There is a confusion between adjective and adverb. Adjective जो हमारे पास है, adjective modifies noun or pronoun in a sentence. Noun और pronoun को modify करते हैं adjective. That is called adjective. But adverb modifies, it describe verb. Most of the time it describe verb, adjective and another adverb in a sentence. 3 things. It will modify verb, adjective and another adverb, yani itself in a sentence.
Okay,
It is called adverb. Okay.
Okay.
For example, हम कहते हैं कि Abdul Muiz speaks slowly. So slowly हमारे पास क्या है? This is adverb because it modifies. How does he speak? He speaks loudly.
मतलब
Yes. Verb को
Okay.
modify करते हैं.
okay,
Yes.
sir.
Abdullah Imran, do you have any question, any confusion regarding this adverb? जो हमारे पास parts of speech है, आप लोग कोशिश करें कि make your concept clear about parts of speech. What is noun, what is adjective, these are the basic things in English grammar. Okay. Amar Wasim. Do you have any question? Okay.
No, sir.
Asadullah Mukhtar. Shamoon, do you have any question?
यस सर. सर पहले आप रिकॉर्डिंग तो खत्म करें. 1 मिनट रिकॉर्डिंग बंद करें.
क्या पूछ रहे थे आप?
आप रिकॉर्डिंग तो बंद करें सर.
रिकॉर्डिंग तो मैं
क्लास
रिकॉर्डिंग में कर रहा और सेंड कर रहा हूँ. आप क्या कह रहे हैं कि ना करें?
नहीं, अभी तो क्लास खत्म हो गया है. 1 मिनट रिकॉर्डिंग तो बंद करें.
दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ दिस सेशन. सो मैंने आप लोगों को इसलिए अनम्यूट कर दिया है कि यू आर मैच्योर पीपल. आई एम श्योर एंड आई होप दैट यू विल नॉट क्रिएट एनी काइंड ऑफ disturbance. You will not discuss something irrelevant in this class after. Okay, so if you have any question regarding this topic, you may ask regarding adverb.
सर काइंडली मीटिंग रूम ऑफ कर दिया करें क्योंकि मैं पिछले ये क्लास में आने से पहले 15 मिनट मैं क्लास की मीटिंग रूम में बैठा रहा हूँ सर। मैं भी और अब्दुल फैसल भी काइंडली
Good, good.
मीटिंग
Zishan, do
रूम
you have any question? Okay, so it was enough for today. Inshallah, tomorrow we will study. We will study about. We will study about types of adverb. Types of adverb tomorrow. Okay. Types of adverb tomorrow. Okay. Allah Hafiz.